During chaining along a straight line, the leader of the party has four arrows in his hand while the followers has six. Distance of the followers from the starting point is the correct answer is B 6 chain. Next question. The metallic tape is made up of. The option D is right. Cloth and wires. Next question. For a well-conditioned triangle, no angle should be less than. So B is correct answer 30 degree. Next question. The angle of the interactions of the two plane mirror of an optical sphere is. So B is correct answer 45 degree. Question number 5. The allowable length of an offset depend upon the. So D is correct answer all of the above. Next question. Which of the following angles can be set out with the help of French cross staff? The correct answer is C, either 45 degree or 90 degree. Next question. Which of the following methods of offset involve less measurement of the ground? So correct answer is A, method of perpendicular offset. Next question. The permissible error in chaining for measurement with chain on rough or hilly ground is. The correct answer is B, 1 in 250. Question number 9. The correction for sag is. Correct answer is always subtractive. The answer number B is correct. Next question. Crosstop is an instrument used for setting out the right side. So B is correct answer. Next question. Normal tension is that pull which. Option number B is correct. Neutralize the effect due to pull and sag. Next question. Which of the following is not used in measurement perpendicular offset? So A is right answer. Line ranger. Next question. If the length of a chain is found to be short on testing, it can be adjusted by. So correct answer is A, straightening the link. Next question. The maximum tolerance in a 20-meter chain is. Option number C is correct, plus minus 5 mm. Next question. For accurate work, the steel band should be always used in preference to chain because the steel band is. The correct answer is C, is practically intentionable and is not liable to clink when is used. Next question. The length of a chain is measured from. The length of a chain is measured from. The correct answer is B, outside of one handle to outside of the other handle. The next question. Select the incorrect statement. So A is correct answer. The two meridian at different places are parallel to each other. Next question. If the true bearing of a line AB is 269 degree 30 second, then azimuth of the line AB is. So correct answer is C, 90 degree 30 minutes. Next question. In prismatic compass. So C is correct answer. The magnetic needle and graduated circle do not move with the box. Next question. For a line AB. For a line AB, so A is correct answer. The forebearing of AB and back bearing of AB different by 180 degree.